What's up everyone, it's Sufan from TechCycle. In this video we are going to unbox Pluto Plus 5 action cam. Just I got the package. So I already planned to unbox this on studio, but I can't reach the studio on time. I cannot go there right now, and I received the package right now and I cannot wait till I reach the studio. So I'm going to unbox it now, so let's begin. Okay, so this is the package. It's from Flipkart. I got the something I did. For the first time ever, I didn't look at anything, so I just look at this. It's the invoice bill. Oh yes, it's the bill. I just put it over there. Nothing there. If you guys remember, this remind me of Unbox Therapy's first video, because it was like this for unboxing this modem, if I'm correct. So all good that unboxing package. So here is the package. This is the bubble wrap. So this is the package. Pluto Plus 5. Yeah, it's correct. On the package, here we got the action cam, some remote splash proof, all those. I got Wi-Fi too. Twin screen, 30 MB wide angle loop recording. These are the features. We got windsurfing cycle. No, these are not features. These are some things. Here we got the specs of this. It got 4K 30 FPS, 4K 24 FPS. 2.7K 30 FPS, 180p 120 FPS, 60 FPS and 30 FPS, 720 at 240 FPS, 120 FPS, 60 FPS and 30 FPS. Format is MOV H 2.64 to H.264. Resolution of photos 30mm, 20mm, 40mm, 8mm, 5mm, 3mm just. And if you are like finding any B-roll on this video, it might be shown with this Pluto Plus 5. I don't know, I'm going to shoot this. Okay, so this is the package. This is the box. Yeah. Here is the camera. I think this is in the waterproof case. So go. This is the camera. Switch, case, user manual. I need this. Like that. Just in this package, we get mount. Okay, yeah, data cable. I know about this, and all other stuff I really don't know anything. For that is, yeah, remote code. You can see light. So here is it. It is in the waterproof case. If I'm frank, I don't know how all these things works. I'm new to action camera. Okay, this is the Pluto Plus Pro 5. So that's it. That's the unboxing of Pluto Plus Pro 5 action cam. I know it's not good because I don't know anything about this action camera and all those mounts. But finally I figured out to power on this. So it is the button. Yeah, it's power on. You can see the video. Yeah, that's it. That's me. I cannot record on this because it need a TF card. Wait, I'll try to find one. So after searching a while, I got the memory card. It's HGB class 4, so it's going to be not that fast, but it will do the job. Just looking. Okay. Waiting SD card installation, so it's good to go. Yeah, man, it's very bad. I'll just take a photo. Just do that. So choosing this action cam from all those wide range of selection is because this got an option to input the mic, so that's the main reason I choose this, and also it got support for 240 fps on 720p, which I need to figure out how to do that, because this is the record button, 2 button and 1 mode button. So on mode I got this video lab, slow motion, still, photo labs, best capture, all those things. I can read this, sorry about the delay. Okay, I find out to enable the Wi-Fi. This is shit. Okay, sorry for wasting all of your time, guys, because I just turn off this one. Everything is in this guide. Sorry. So if you are unboxing something, read the guide first. I'll just come back after reading this. So that's, I'll just change to this one using the Gorilla Port. It's a mini Gorilla Port. Okay, so it's going to be like that. I changed the mic to this one. Yeah, this is where I need to frame color. So that's it. That's all about unboxing Pluto Plus Pro 5 action cam. You can see all this thing over here. And this waist, man, become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm just looking at my camera there. So become a 6 box. I think the quality will be fine for this 8,000 bucks. Yeah, this is the bill. So if you are thinking like a sudden change in the location, it's because I forgot to talk about something in the unboxing, as it is because I'm very excited about this. And I was like, boom, because I didn't know what all those stuff was. So now I'm just a little bit familiarized with all these things. We'll talk about something like the build quality of this action cam. It's very good. Also about the issue on while recording from the unboxing time is because some files record on this action cam is just recorded. It is like a piece, that is cut piece. For some file about 5 seconds, some is about 10 seconds. It's not a continuous file. I don't know about, I'm still trying to figure out that issue. So about the build quality of this action cam is good. It's little grippy, so it's good. And about the waterproof case, I didn't test that. I will test it and I will share it on my Twitter account. Also about the Wi-Fi functionality of this application, now I'm seeing real time, seeing this on my phone. It's working perfectly. There is no lag between. I will on the unboxing video, there is a little bit more about this, but it's not recorded using that. There is issue on that. Sometimes it's not continuous. I think I covered most of this in this unboxing, most of the features of this action cam in unboxing. If you are like having a trouble, or if you are not finding anything useful, just comment down below. I will try to help you as fast as I can, and I will leave the link in the description. So let's get back to that itself. This. And about the last video recorded by using this, I turned to change this one. There is a option to change the camera to mic, so I didn't do that. So the audio will be taken from this inbuilt mic. So I don't know about the audio quality, but we will look at the video. So that's it. That's about this unboxing, man. it's been like very difficult for me to record this, because for me, I thought taking video with guide was very difficult, but unboxing is very difficult. Man, unbox therapy, I can't imagine how he's doing all these things. So that's all about this unboxing of Pluto Plus Pro 5. It's been about third time I'm doing this. So that's all. Like, share, subscribe, all good stuff, and dislike if you didn't like it. So that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you next one. You guys seeing this crack? Yeah, look at it. That's it.